It's Monday. We are into the month of June 3rd, and it's time for us to talk technology. And our tech expert, Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us right now. Luis, welcome back to the program.
Thank you, Mark. How are you on this fine June day?
You know, I'm doing well. It's hard to believe we are into the 6th month of the year, but time flies. It certainly
Here we
is.
are.
Yep. Hey, burglary gangs are literally planting cameras in Southern California yards to spy on residents. This is a crazy story that we picked up online. And what's the latest on this?
Yeah, so this is something that has caught law enforcement by surprise. Basically, gangs are flying in under tourist visas from South America or Central America, and these are crime gangs that are fly into Southern California, and then they plant cameras to observe high-end properties and watch to see the comings and goings of the owners with the intent of getting to the point where they can break into these homes when the owners are away and steal all the stuff that's in the home. And the cameras aren't on the property itself necessarily. They're actually, like in adjoining properties and other locations where they can observe the homes, but it's taken a high-tech twist on home burglaries that law enforcement really hasn't seen before.
Right. So what's the best way for people to protect themselves and their neighborhood against this new crime wave?
Well, first off, make sure that you're aware of everything that's going on around your property, especially if you live in either a higher end part of the neighborhood or maybe in a rural part of the area where you're a little bit segregated. And if you see any equipment or thing that looks suspicious, contact law enforcement and let them know, hey, I think I saw something, a camera or something that shouldn't be there. But be aware that they're now out there, and I'm sure there'll be copycats all over the country.
All right. Well, that's Luis Alvarez, CEO of the Alvarez Technology Group, joining us today here on Power Talk Radio. Online, it's alvareztg.com. At AlvarezTG is the Twitter handle. And Luis, the toll-free number for that I-Team.
Give us a call at 866-78-I-Team. That's 866-784-8326.